Chapter 3: Fundamentals of Market Analysis. Basics of Chart Analysis and Technical Indicators. Chart analysis and technical indicators serve as indispensable tools for traders, providing in-depth insights into market behavior, trends, and potential trading opportunities across various financial markets. Chart analysis in detail. Comprehensive understanding of chart types. Candlestick charts. These charts encapsulate detailed price information within each candle, revealing the opening, closing, high and low prices for a specific time frame. Various candlestick patterns such as doji, hammer, engulfing patterns and their combinations offer nuanced insights into market sentiment and potential price reversals. Line charts. While simplistic, line charts connect closing prices over time, offering a high-level view of price trends but lacking the intricacies and specific details provided by candlestick charts. Bar charts. Similar to candlesticks but without the visual representation of bullish or bearish momentum, bar charts illustrate opening, high, low, and closing prices for a given period. Advanced elements in chart analysis. Support and resistance levels. Beyond basic levels, understanding zones and clusters of support or resistance enhances the precision of trade entries and exits. Trend lines and channels. Utilizing advanced trend line drawing techniques, including parallel channels and pitchforks, offers a deeper understanding of trend strength and potential reversals. Complex chart patterns. Beyond the commonly recognized patterns, exploring harmonic patterns like Gartley, bat, butterfly, and their intricate ratios can provide highly accurate predictive indications. Technical indicators explored in depth. Moving averages and variations. Simple moving average, SMA. Employing multiple SMAs of varying periods allows for crossover strategies indicating trend shifts. Exponential moving average, EMA. Utilizing EMAs with Fibonacci levels can offer precise entry points and confirm trend directions. Momentum and oscillator indicators. Relative Strength Index, RSI. Combining multiple time frames of RSI, divergence analysis, and trendline-based RSI techniques enhance signal accuracy. Stochastic oscillator. Implementing custom settings and combining fast and slow stochastic indicators refines overbought, oversold readings and divergence identification. Volatility measures and adaptive indicators. Bollinger Bands. Integrating Fibonacci ratios within Bollinger Bands refines volatility analysis and potential reversal zones. Average True Range, ATR. Combining ATR with price action and volume analysis aids in identifying potential breakouts and setting stop-loss levels. Volume analysis and advanced volume indicators. On-balance volume, OBV. Employing OBV divergence techniques and volume profile analysis enhances trend confirmation and reversal signals. Volume weighted average price, VWAP. Integrating VWAP with standard deviation bands aids in identifying market reversals and significant price levels. Advanced application and customization. Signal confirmation and complex strategy development. Confirmation strategies. Developing multi-layered confirmation setups using a combination of various indicators and price action analysis refines trade entry and exit points. Custom indicator development. Exploring coding languages like Python or R to create customized indicators tailored to specific trading strategies and market conditions. Precision time frame. Selection. Multiple time frame analysis. Utilizing fractal analysis across various time frames for alignment and confirmation of trade signals. Tick and volume-based time frames. Incorporating tick charts or volume-based time frames for precise entries in high-frequency trading environments. An exhaustive understanding of chart analysis intricacies and various technical indicators empowers traders to decipher market movements, identify potential trends, and construct robust trading strategies. These tools, when leveraged adeptly, offer detailed insights into market dynamics, facilitating astute navigation through the intricacies of financial markets. In the subsequent chapters, we will explore advanced charting techniques, indicator customization, algorithmic trading strategies, and real-world applications of technical analysis, equipping traders with the expertise to analyze markets proficiently and execute successful trades in diverse market conditions.